In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the phone number requirement from a Shopify contact form. If you've ever run into a situation where you feel like asking for too much information might deter potential customers, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Overcomplicating a contact form with unnecessary fields can create friction, which may discourage customers from reaching out. Let's get started by simplifying that contact form and making it more user-friendly for your visitors. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the search bar, which is an incredibly handy tool whenever you're trying to find a specific app or feature. In the search bar, type in the word Forms, and you should see it pop up as an option. Click on it, and this will open the Forms app right in your Shopify admin dashboard, allowing you to access and manage your various contact forms. Once the Forms app is open, you'll need to identify the specific contact form that you want to modify. This could be any form you've set up, perhaps the one your customers use to reach out with their questions or feedback. Select that contact form by clicking on it, which will bring you to more detailed options specific to that form. Next, you'll be looking for the section labeled Fields. This area is crucial because it is where all the different pieces of information you're gathering from users are listed. Scroll through the list until you find the phone field. You might notice an icon that looks quite similar to a trash bin or a minus sign next to it. This is the remove icon. Go ahead and click on that remove icon next to the phone field. By doing this, you'll effectively remove the phone number as a required field on your contact form. This makes it easier for your customers to reach out without feeling the need to provide additional information they might be uncomfortable sharing. Now, it's very important after making such changes that you save your work. Look for the Save button, which is generally located either at the top or bottom of the page. Click on it to ensure that all your customizations are preserved. Trust me, there's nothing more frustrating than making adjustments only to realize they didn't stick because you forgot to save. Before you wrap up, I recommend doing a quick test to make sure your form is working as expected. Try filling out the contact form yourself, making sure the phone number field is no longer required and that the form submits smoothly. Testing is key to ensuring a frictionless user experience. By following these steps, you've successfully removed a phone number field from your contact form, simplifying the process for your customers and possibly making them more willing to fill out the form. Why does this matter? Customers may be hesitant to provide too much personal information when contacting you. A simpler, less intimidating form makes it easier for them to reach out, which can increase the likelihood that they'll engage with your store. Here are some additional benefits of simplifying your contact form. Faster response rates. A quicker, easier form to fill out can lead to more customers reaching out for support or inquiries. Improved customer experience. Reducing friction in your communication channels shows that you value your customers' time. Better conversion rates. A less complicated contact process may result in higher conversion rates from interested visitors. If you still need certain pieces of information, like a message, subject, or order number, consider using custom fields to make your form more specific while keeping it minimal. You can still ask for additional details, but make them optional, so customers feel they have the flexibility to share only what's necessary. This little tweak can make a big difference by streamlining how customers interact with your Shopify store. Remember, the easier you make it for them to reach you, the more likely they are to engage. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it valuable, like this video, subscribe, and leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more Shopify tips and tricks to make your e-commerce site as effective as possible. Until next time, take care and happy selling.